Hello, welcome to Mutale TV. My name is Denzel Chipatela and I'm the biology tutor. So today we are looking at 2025 GCE biology. So we're going to just look at the first question, which is in section A, question 1. We're going to look at the cell today. So let us start. Section A, short answer questions. Answer all the questions in the spaces provided in the question paper. So question 1. Figure 1 shows a palisade cell observed under a light microscope. Question 1a. Identify the parts labeled A, B, and C in figure 1. So let us analyze this structure here properly. So as we can see, this is a plant cell. Plant cells have a cell wall, by the way, and a vacuole. Animal cells also have vacuoles, but their vacuoles are temporary, which means that they don't last long. They are not permanent vacuoles. The vacuole is this white space here, the white space in the cell. So we can see the chloroplasts, which are these circular objects inside the cell. Then we have the nucleus as already labeled, the cell membrane, and the cytoplasm. So, question A, identify the parts labeled A, B, and C in figure 1. A is the cell wall, which is the outer line, and B is the vacuole, as we have already stated. Then C is the chloroplast. We know that this is the chloroplast because the cell membrane has already been labeled. The nucleus has already been labeled, the cell wall has already been labeled, and finally the vacuole has been labeled. Thus, this is a chloroplast, C. Then, question 1b. Explain the functions of the part labeled A in figure 1. So let us look at part labeled A, which is the cell wall. So the cell wall in a plant gives it its shapes of the cell. The cell wall gives the shape for a cell. It also prevents the cell from bursting in case of too much water inside the cell. So that's the function. Then question 1c. Give two differences between the cell in figure 1 and the one found in human trachea. So the cell here is a plant cell, by the way, and the cell that is found in the human trachea, those are ciliated cells. They are the ones responsible for capturing dust particles and bacterium, preventing them from entering the lungs. So the first difference is that the cell found in the human trachea, those are cilia cells, meaning that they have cilia. They are ciliated cells. They have cilia, which are like fibers, strands that trap dust. So this cell does not have cilia. That's one difference. Whereas the cell found in the human trachea have cilia. They are ciliated cells. Then the second difference is that the animal cells, which are the cells found in the human trachea, they don't have cell walls. Whereas this structure here, the palisade cell has a cell wall. Now, those are your two differences. Then, question 1d. State the names of any other two organelles that would be seen if the cell in figure 1 was observed under an electron microscope. So, the cytoplasm, once viewed under an electron microscope, we will be able to see other parts like the mitochondria, the ribosomes, the endoplasmic reticulum, the rough endoplasmic reticulum, and the Golgi bodies. So The other two organelles will be, let's just say, the rough endoplasmic reticulum and mitochondria. So we have finished question 1. Thank you for watching Mtale TV. Please stick with me as always.